Have you ever wondered about the magical journey of sunflowers? From tiny seeds sown in the soil to blooming under the sunlight and finally becoming familiar products in our daily lives. Today, let's dive into the inspiring story of growth, perseverance, and the immense value this iconic flower brings. Are you ready to explore? Let's get started. Sunflowers are primarily grown from seeds, each containing enough nutrients to sprout into a young plant. In modern agriculture, seed drills can handle up to 20 rows simultaneously, sowing thousands of seeds within just a few hours. On average, a seed drill can plant over 10,000 seeds per hour. Seeds are sown in the soil at a depth of about 2 to 5 centimeters, depending on the soil type and weather conditions. Shortly after, the young plants will begin to grow. In approximately 80 to 100 days, the sunflowers will bloom, creating a stunning golden landscape stretching across the fields. To ensure a field of sunflowers blooms beautifully, proper watering is the key. Despite their inherent resilience, sunflowers still require meticulous care to achieve the best yields. Sprinkler irrigation systems with refreshing streams of water mimicking natural rain not only hydrate the soil but also alleviate scorching heat, keeping the leaves vibrant and helping the plants grow tall and strong. A key point to remember: avoid letting the roots sit in waterlogged soil by ensuring an effective drainage system. Most importantly, water regularly during the seedling stage, 2 to 8 weeks, and as the plants prepare to bloom. With this dedicated care, each hectare of sunflowers can yield 2 to 3 tons of robust seeds, a true testament to a bountiful harvest. As their name suggests, sunflowers always face the sun. During the day, the flowers move from east to west to follow the sunlight. At night, they turn back to the east, ready to greet the sunrise. Did you know? This phenomenon, called heliotropism, occurs due to uneven cell growth in the stem. There are over 70 species of sunflowers worldwide, but only 5 are commonly cultivated for seed harvesting. Some varieties can grow as tall as 3 meters, while smaller ones reach just 30 to 40 centimeters in height, making them ideal for garden planting. A sunflower is not a single flower, but actually a cluster of 1,000 to 2,000 tiny florets tightly packed together. Each floret produces a sunflower seed, meaning that an average sunflower can yield around 1,200 seeds. Once sunflowers have fully matured and dried, it is the ideal time for harvest. This process should be carried out when the seed moisture level is around 12 to 15% to ensure the best quality for processing. Modern technology now plays a vital role in harvesting. Specialized harvesting machines not only enable the efficient handling of large areas, but also minimize seed loss and improve economic efficiency. A single machine can harvest up to 10 hectares per day, significantly reducing the need for manual labor. Each hectare of sunflowers can yield an average of 2 to 3 tons of seeds, which are primarily used for producing cooking oil, animal feed, and byproducts like nutrient-rich seed cakes. Sunflowers are a high-value crop, playing a significant role in agriculture and food processing industries. Russia and Ukraine were once the leading producers of sunflowers, accounting for up to 70% of global output with over 16 million tons annually. However, recent conflicts and instability have significantly reduced production. This has placed tremendous pressure on the global sunflower oil market, leading to rising prices and disruptions in the global supply chain. Sunflower harvesting relies not only on technology, but is also heavily influenced by weather, soil conditions, and labor availability. Recent climate change has made cultivation and harvesting increasingly challenging. However, with the advancement of sustainable agriculture, sunflowers remain a strategic crop, offering significant opportunities for emerging markets. The resilience and economic value of sunflowers have proven that, despite numerous challenges, this industry holds strong potential for growth in the future. Now let's head to the factory to see how sunflower oil is made. Here, the production process is divided into several steps. Seed cleaning. Seeds are passed through a filtration system to remove dirt, dust, and impurities. Dehulling. The hard outer shells are removed and often repurposed as animal feed or organic fertilizer. Oil extraction. The dehulled kernels are pressed at high temperatures to extract crude oil. Oil refining. The crude oil is filtered and refined to remove all impurities, resulting in clear, golden, high-quality oil that is both delicious and premium grade. A large factory can process hundreds of tons of seeds daily, producing thousands of liters of oil. Did you know it takes just about 10 tiny sunflower seeds to produce one precious drop of oil? Sunflower oil is not only delicious, but also highly nutritious. It is rich in omega-3, omega-6, and vitamin E, essential nutrients that help protect heart health and nourish the skin. Once the oil is refined, it is transferred to an automated packaging system. Each day, thousands of bottles, ranging from 500 milliliters to 5 liters, are carefully produced and packaged, ready for export. Sunflower seeds are now exported to over 100 countries, with the largest markets being India, China, and European nations. This industry generates billions of dollars in revenue annually, making it a vital part of the global economy. And so, we've explored the incredible journey of sunflowers, from tiny seeds to the golden bottles of oil on your dining table. We hope you've learned something interesting and grown to appreciate this nutritious cooking oil even more. Feel free to share your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to like and share this video if you enjoyed it. See you in the next video. Goodbye.